Okay, the problem is this. Obviously, bitmap filter, preserve coverage, replicate port, fade out to gray. Bitmap limit, stream bitmap levels. Let's check this out. I think that was the problem, actually not the size precisely. Pixels per unit, let's do 200. Now let's try this again. So, how does it look? Incredibly much better. So better, so much better, it's amazing. So that was the problem. And let's change it to Kaiser to see if it looks better or not. I don't see any difference. Okay, so this is good, I guess. Let's let's ask the AI. Let's set up to display. Explain each bitmap. Let's learn what is a bitmap. Are generated and bitmaps or smaller prescaled version of a texture used to improve rendering performance and reduce aliasing when the texture is viewed at different distances or scales. Key bitmap settings in Unity's texture importer. When you import a texture for a 2D sprite, the bitmap setting are found on the Textures Importer Advanced section for platform-specific settings. Here's a breakdown of each bitmap related option. Generate bitmaps. Unity creates a series of smaller texture versions, half, quarter, eighth of the original size, down to 1 pixel. These are used when the sprite is rendered at smaller sizes or farther from the camera. Disabled. No bitmaps are generated. Only the full version texture is used. Full version texture. Impact for 2D sprites. For 2D games with orthographic cameras, common for 2D sprites, bitmaps are often unnecessary because sprites are typically rendered at fixed scale and distance. Disabled bitmap saves memory, about 33 less textures memory, and bitmaps are roughly 1/3 more data. If your game involves zooming, rotating, or perspective cameras, enabling bitmaps can reduce aliasing, jaggy edges, and improve textures quality when sprites are scaled down. So yeah, definitely. Let's try something different. Trilinear. Let's try this. So does this look better? Actually, it's like it's all broken. it looks broken again. So let's change that. Bilinear. Yeah, that looks okay. Okay-ish or better. Which bilinear? Yeah, looks okay. Let's try this. Okay, no difference. Looks good to me. Let's see once again. Disabled for most 2D sprites. Okay, bitmap filtering. Box, the simplest and fastest method. Each bitmap level is created by averaging 2 by 2. Okay, blocky transitions, but cheap. A more advanced algorithm that applies a sharpening filter during bitmap generation. It produces smoother transitions between bitmap levels and reduces blurring. Okay. So, Kaiser, really, which is better? This is pretty good, I think. Fox Kaiser. This actually looks more blurry. This is crispier. I prefer box. So, box is usually sufficient for 2D sprites. Yes. Scanning. Little even omnipotence are used. Okay, bitmap preserve coverage. This setting is relevant for textures with alpha channels, sprites with transparency. It ensures the alpha channels coverage, the proportion of transparent versus opaque areas, is preserved across bitmap levels. Okay, enabled. Adjust the alpha values in lower bitmap levels to maintain consistent transparency behavior, preventing sprites from disappearing or having incorrect alpha blending at smaller scales. Disabled. Bitmaps are generated without adjusting alpha, which can cause transparent areas to become more or less opaque in lower bitmap levels. Is that true? Okay, impact for 2D sprites. For sprites with transparency, characters with soft edges or cutouts, enable this prevents artifacts like halos or fading when the sprite is scaled down. Okay, let's try that. Does it look bad? I would say no, it doesn't look bad at all. No problems at all. No problemos at all. So, fully transparent or fully opaque. Oh, okay. Enables for sprites with smooth alpha transitions. Okay. Disable for opaque sprites or those with hard edged transparency to save input time. Okay. Fade out bitmaps. This setting causes bitmaps to gradually fade to gray color as they reach lower resolution to gray. Oh. You can set a range, but the textures fade to gray. This is controlled by the start MIP and end MIP. Rarely used for 2D sprites, as fading to gray is more common in 3D textures, for distant objects, in terrain or fog effects. For For sprites, this could cause small or distant sprites to lose color, which is usually undesirable. Might be used in niche cases like stylized 2D games where sprites intentionally fade out and zoom out. Disable for most 2D sprites as it's unlikely to align with typical 2D art sprites. Yes. Mipmap strip. This setting, found in the platform specific overrides, allows you to strip mipmaps from the texture during the build process for that platform. Enabled. Removes mipmaps for the texture on the specified platform, even if the mipmap is enabled. Okay. Stripping mipmaps reduces textures memory usage, which is critical for mobile platforms with limited VRAM. Okay, however, if your game scales sprites dynamically on these platforms, stripping mipmaps could lead to aliasing or poor textures quality. Enabled for mobile platforms. Okay. Additional modes. Memory and performance. Enable mipmaps increases textures memory usage. Okay. Is 4 MB. Oof. With mipmaps. It's 433. Okay, for 2D games with many sprites, disabled mipmaps can significantly reduce memory footprint. Sprite Atlas. If your sprite is part of a sprite atlas, the atlas mipmap setting overrides individual sprite settings. Ensure the atlas has appropriate mipmaps settings for your use case. Okay, so I need to use sprite atlases. Okay. So I think I'm gonna keep mipmap because that's the problem. Generate mipmap limit. Wait a second. Do we explain the limit? Mipmap, fade out, mipmap. Do I have an explanation for this? Mipmap limit. Okay. Let me ask. What is mipmap limit? Mipmap limit setting in the texture importer allows you to control which mipmaps levels are included in the final texture when mipmaps are generated. This setting helps optimize memory usage and performance by excluding certain mipmap levels, typically the highest or lowest resolution ones, based on your project's needs. Below, I'll explain the mipmap limit setting in the context of a 2D texture sprite. What is mipmap limit? Mipmap limit specifies a range of mipmap levels to include in the texture, effectively limiting the mipmap chain by skipping some levels. Mipmaps are pre-scaled version of a texture. This to 1. Pre-scaled, okay. And this setting lets you exclude specific levels, okay. Okay, reduces texture memory usage or controls texture quality by excluding unnecessary mipmaps. Okay. Read write, alpha is transparency. Okay, so this works fine. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. So this setting is the one I'm going to use for pixel art icons, small icons. What happens if I change this right away? Let's try that. So now that I have maps enabled, maybe something will change if I change that. So let's say 1. Okay, I see absolutely no difference. 100, 8. I see no difference. Absolutely no difference. Nope. Actually, there is like a small problem with that. It looks. Oh, I see. I understand. So check this corner around here, this one. When it gets smaller, this contrast creates like a small effect. See, it's like there is another color between the dark and the light one. Well, I guess this is the best I can do. So let's create a atlas, sprite atlas, 2D sprite atlas. Resources, icon, resource, icons, atlas. Allow rotation? No. Type packing, including build. Adding 4. How dare you? Sprite atlas packing is disabled. Project settings, editor. Where are you? There. B2. And 8. There. Okay, let's move this. Come on, bro, come on. There. Thank you. Objects for packing. Okay, let's try. Wait a second. So I have this. Let's block this and let's put it there, right? No. Brr. resources, resources, icons. There. Perfect. Back preview. Whoops. Super big one. By the way, what happens with the others? So let's try that. So let's get to the card, terrain, resources. So I guess this should be there, right? Models, resources, icons. There. So I'm gonna put this stone to the card. Should be in the sea. Card. Not card deck. Just cards. Card resources, images. This sliced? No, zip. Does it look good? It looks really blurry. Simple, unstable, material. Let's set it to UI. Okay, so it looks really blurry. And let's change this. Okay, it doesn't look blurry at all. So all of the pixels need to be, all of the icons should be really big. 1, 2, 8. Let's see what's the right. Slides again? No. So let's see what's the right size it should have. So let's do this. Let's do little by little. Sprite size by 2. Save. Oh, looks good already. But good enough? Good enough? Yeah, it looks great actually. Yep. Looks pretty good already. Let's try. Wait a second. Stone maybe. Oh, this won't update actually. But let's try it anyway. I'm just gonna change the sprite on the icon. Oh, there we go. So it looks great actually. Oh. Oh, I forgot something. Because this looks really bad actually. Resources, section, contents. What did I forget? Why does it look so crappy? Tree, map maps. What's the problem? What did I change? Now it looks bad here. Why? It's because I changed the material. Let's put none to this. No, that wasn't a problem. What changed? Maybe this? Maps. Point. Rotation, take backing, asset post processor, format, RGB. So why did this change like that? Oh, make map limit. Save. So now both of them look bad. But I didn't change anything, did I? I don't remember changing anything. What the hell, mister? Bilinear. Mitchell. something about the atlas. Maybe that's the problem. Let's just get this pixelar texture. Smaller icon. Go. Okay, so this is much better. The thing is, so what's the atlas was the problem then? The atlas was the problem. Anyway, the rock doesn't look great still. Let's do by 2. By 2. Save. Let's try again. So this is 64. Let's go. No, not good, not good. Not good. Let's try again. Oopsies. Sprite size by 2. Okay, save. Go. 1, 2, 8. I just want icons that look good in pixel art. Okay, does this look good? No, it doesn't. No, it does not. Okay. Sprite size. So this is the minimum. 256. 256. Let's go. Oopsie. So let's see. What? Still doesn't look good? Man, I doesn't look good, man. Why? Stone, the linear, Mitchell. This Kaiser. Second one. So let me see. What? Okay, one. Cloud. Stream. Replicate border and coverage. Should I just say it looks good and that's it? Should I just say, okay, let's leave it like that? Okay, let me see. Lower resource. Let's do the width. You know what? I should leave it like that. I should just leave it like it is. I should leave it like that with bitmaps and be done with it. What the hell? What the freaking hell? Linear. Yeah, you know what? It looks good enough. It looks like a nice icon. So I'm just gonna leave it like bilinear and that's it. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. The only problem is the texture sizes. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. If I make really big resources, I'm not gonna have enough space, because here, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I would have like 6 big resource icons if they are like 8 by 8 pixels. And these were originally 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got that. 8 by 8. Or like this. 16 by 16. So 16 by 16 is too much. Look, nothing changed. Awesome. I'm gonna copy this, trim. 16. I just noticed that this doesn't look great. And this is just really weird. It's like it has too much detail. I'm gonna change that right away. This is like too much. Should I leave it like that? You know what? This is the problem. Man, when this didn't activate. There, you're a tree. You're a freaking tree. You're a freaking tree. You're a freaking tree. Shit. Done. Stop. I have to stop making these crazy changes. So generate bitmaps, goodbye. Bilinear or mid-gel, nothing changed. Bilinear, set it to 32. I'm just gonna leave it like that. 200, 1, 200, 300, 600, 16. Okay, that doesn't change a thing. 1.1. I don't see any change actually. Nope, nothing has ever changed. Max size, physics, shape. Saved it. No, update. What? Oh no. You change everything? Oh. Cancel. Cancel. pixel. So mip maps, I don't want mip maps. This is bilinear, this is 32. Bilinear point. If I do point, everything here breaks. So let's do 16. So let's do 1. So let's do 0.1. So let's do 0.0001. So let's do 200. Nothing changes. So this is the thing that annoys me. Trilinear or bilinear. Precise algorithm. Advanced. Okay, so what's this? Okay, I'm gonna delete this guy. I want to delete this guy, please. Delete. Assets. Okay. I'm gonna delete it from here. Delete, yes. So I'm gonna take the tree. I'm gonna do 32, bilinear, clamp. Alpha is transparency. Two, 5, 6. What happens if I increase this? Nothing. By 16. Two, 5, 6. 32. Major or bilinear. There. Okay, so let's create a new one. Let's do pixel art icons. Let's set all of these to pixel art icons. Let's do an apply. Okay, so I'm done with that. Let's try again. So if I really want to have the right size of stone and grass, I'm just gonna reduce the size to 8 by 8 and that's it. And I'm just gonna repeat replace these graphics, but for now they look okay. They look okay. They look fine. I like how they look, but just the style is not the same. But it doesn't look bad. That's the thing. It doesn't look bad. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. You know what? I want to try something else. Let's create a layer, new layer, and let's go crazy with the border. Oh, could you? Oh man, this doesn't work for some reason. Okay, whatever. So let's go crazy with the borders. Looks quite ugly actually. I'm not sure I like it. Let's go like that. So this is a tree. Let's save it. Let's just try it, you know? Let's just try it. And when we try it, we will see. And when we see, we will know. Wahahaha. Okay, does it look ugly? Yes, it does. It looks really ugly. Really ugly. Okay, let's just leave it like that. But before I leave it like that, I'm gonna go crazy with this. And this. And this. Okay, so this is the grass, which should be not 32, it should be 16, bro. 16, there we go. 3 there. There we go. So I'm gonna ask this thing, how are sprite atlases used? I used this one, the sprite atlases, but I forgot how to use them. I completely forgot how to use them. So how do you look? Good, 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 good. Or good enough, I say. Yeah, it looks good. It looks great. So let me go back after a few minutes. Okay, let's learn how atlases works. Sprite atlases are used to optimize the rendering and memory usage of 2D sprites by combining multiple sprites into a single texture. This reduces draw calls, improves performance, and streamlines texture management, especially in 2D games or UI-heavy projects. Below I'll explain how sprite atlases are used, their benefits, setup processes, and considerations specific to 2D sprites, including their interaction with bitmap settings, as you previously asked us about. What is a sprite atlas? Sprite atlas is a special Unity asset that packs multiple sprites into a single texture atlas at build time. Instead of rendering each sprite as a separate atlas, separate texture, Unity renders the atlas, and individual sprites are referenced as regions, UV coordinates within it. Okay. How sprite atlases are used? Reduce draw calls. Each unique texture typically requires a separate draw call. By combining multiple sprites into one atlas, Unity can render all sprites from that atlas in a single draw call, assuming they share the same material. So they need the same material. Okay. This is critical for performance, especially in mobile devices or in scenes with many sprites. Optimize memory. Packing sprites into an atlas reduces texture overhead and allows better compression, as a single texture is loaded into memory instead of multiple smaller ones. Bitmap settings like those. I don't care about bitmaps anymore. Atlases group related sprites, value icons, characters, animations, or environment tiles, making it easier to manage texture settings, compression, or platform-specific overrides. Support dynamic loading. Atlases can be loaded and unloaded dynamically at runtime. Okay. Steps. Create a sprite atlas. Okay, better for performance. Oh, cool. Add sprites. Under objects for packing, click the plus, add sprites or folders. You can drag and drop individual sprites or entire folders. Unity automatically packs this into the atlas during the build process, including build. The final build, if this is. Oh, really? Ensure the including build toggle is enabled. Okay. Editor. Crazy. No, thank you. Assign the atlas to sprites. Okay. So sprites added to the atlas automatically reference it when rendered. No manual assignment needed. In the sprite renderer or UI image components, ensure the sprite is from the atlas. Use automatically if the sprite is packed. If using a sprite Atlas v2, Unity dynamically binds sprites to the Atlas on runtime, reducing manual setup. Add sprite to your scene via sprite renderer or UI image. Unity renders the Atlas texture, and each sprite uses its UV coordinates to display the correct region. Ensure sprites share the same material to batch them into a single draw call. Optional dynamic loading. For large games, load atlases dynamically using addressables or asset variables. Oh, okay, I get it. Atlas and sprites that are rarely used together. Okay. Map settings. Transparency. Testing. Okay, enough. So I could use them as atlases. Yeah, that's one atlas. Sprites 2D sprite atlas resource icons atlas. So let's do resources icons there. So this, can I check the main texture by linear, sRGB, rewrite, take back? No. Yeah, sure, why not? I cannot see the preview. Okay, let's try this. Plus stone. No, it won't let me. Stone. Okay. Resource. Okay, let's do a grass. There. Save this. Let's lock it. Why does it? Oh, because it's the atlas. There. Right? No? Plus. Oh, come on. Plus 3. Wheat. I wish it let me just drag and drop. Grass, wheat, tree, stone. Stone. There. There, how do I save this? Compression, format, RGBA. Okay. Oh, I have 2 stones. There, 3. Oh, I forgot. Grass. Grass. There. I can't see the type master. Type back. validation. Texture. I cannot see this, guys. There. There, I want to save it. Save. What? Where is the save option? Where is the save option, man? Padding. All I know. Save. Do I really know? Back preview, please. Come on. Oh, there it is. Alpha relation, what's this? Okay, very nice. Should I have that too? There. Much better. So I think this is really good actually. Okay. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, what else? Oh yes. Oh yes. So I have the graphics, but now I need a way to detect them, you know? I need a way to detect them. Resource 1. Oh, this is the material. Outline, resource, grass resource, resource sprite. So let me check out, how did I do that? How did I detect the resources and stuff like that? So let me check. So let's do a village and I detect. Okay, so let's see, detect. So I shouldn't change this because somehow this already works. So let's see, card template, village card, so village with only one resource. Let's go to the card template, so this should be hidden. So there we go. We have a village that wants a wheat, one wheat. That's all the thing I need. All that I need is a wheat. So let's say, let's take that village card. So there, wheat resources list. This is the thing I need, and this, the resource selector. Village selection shape. Building resources updated. Resource script, my resource. Alright, so this detects the resource itself. So it uses the resource. It detects the thing here, right? This guy, and this has this, right? This resource, this wheat resource, and this card has the same resource, wheat resource, this guy. Alright, so for example, this one has the same resource. I mean, this one, same resource, the wheat. Okay, so that's how it functions. It compares the resource. Okay, simple and effective. So it works. I have 4 resources. Alright, create graphics. Okay, that wasn't too hard. Do I have a new more cards? Okay, fusioning. So I need models. I need models. So let's go. Let's make models. did it work? W. How did this work? I don't remember. I haven't used this in months. FRT V. So if this is to the next, and this is here. Okay, so A and D. Can I use this like that? Yes. So we have a floor and we have sides to the buildings, right? So we can have one building there. Oops. Okay, one building there. And let's go like that. And there. And there. So that's a building. A nice little box. There we go, a box. Now I need to how did I do this? I forgot. And let's do a new one. Crocodile 3D. Can I create faces? I'm gonna rotate faces. Select the face, press F, OK, transform, rotate tool. Okay, this, so I need to change to edit mode. Where was it? Empty block, draw edit mode, there. Face is selectable. How do I select the face? Edges, vertices, this face, tiles, vertices, edges and vertices. There. And now, which one was it? F. Are you sure? F? F seems to be flip. R. R. Rotate. No, you know what? I think I know. Well. Transform. Rotate the face. I'm gonna select the edge there, and I'm gonna move this guy there. So we have that alright? There. So now, oh man, let's select the face. Vertex, edge. Can I copy paste? Flip, 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 flip like this, flip like that, flip like that, flip like that. There. I don't know how I did it, but it worked. Nice. So I'm just making a nice house, and then I need to create a face. How do I create a face? So I come here, I grab this, I edit this. I want to faces, split, subdivide. No, can I split this? Face, split. No, I can't. Triangle, divide. There, so I have two triangles. Alright, so let's select the face or tile. Take the vertices and move it there. Right? No. There. There. No. Okay, can I move it there? Please. How do I merge? Combine vertices. Okay, this one and this one. Combine vertices. Shit. I mean this one and this one. Combine. No. This one and this one. No. Go. Yes. This one and this one. Combine. Good. Why do I have like... Didn't I have... What the heck? What? How many? I thought I had like... How many freaking faces do I have here? Again? Come on, man. Faces. Split, subdivide, triangle, divide. Okay, just want to get rid of this. Okay, so now I have again a triangle. Okay, select the faces. Please. Should I flip this triangle? Can I flip you? Flip. No, not like that. Face. Go to the other side. Reverse. There we go. Nice. Now let's get this and select this guy and combine. There. Select this guy and this guy. Combine. Finally. Okay, so duplicate. Please, let's move you there, and let's reverse. Nice. Perfect home. Right. So should I get the cards, the images, UI, camera card types, icons. Or did I copy the card graphics? Cards, actions, images, types, attack, potion, rulings. There we go, this one. So I had this. Oh, I want more zoom, please, so it's easier to see. Can't check this out. Okay. So that's the. They're basically different sizes. I want to split. Can I split you? Edge? Merge? No, I want to split. Lines, deselect. Edges. Faces, split, these two guys, edges. Okay, I want to split you. Straighten, triangle divide, move. Please split vertices. Select. Select. Split. Can I not face? Can I split these two guys? Like that? Split. What's split for? Okay, vertex. Vertex, vertex, and edge. Vertex, edge. Okay, whatever. Whatever. There. What am I even moving? There. There. Okay, this comes there. There we go. So this guy is going to split you. Edge. Faces. Split. Okay, man. No, I want to split you, man. Combine. Push. Pull. Align. Wireframe. Tiles, tilt models, this a little, reverse face. Okay, let's ask the AI. Right, split vertices. B, vertex, control, merge vertex. If you need to select multiple vertices, hold control. Press D. Really? Duplicate? No. Detach. Tile. Split tool. No. Snapping, undo, mesh integrity. Non-planar, complex models. vertices or faces. To duplicate it, really? Dice it, transforms, spacebar, tile, okay, console. Rotate the selection. Okay. 3D Gizmo, Shift. These tiles are invisible. Two triangles. An edge or triangle. Row tiles, arrays. Let's do vertex. Ish. Too many. Separate. Separate. Mirror separately. Separately. Separate tiles. Separate. No. Split. Choose split. And S. Split it. Tile splitting. Subdivide. Okay, let's try duplicating. Duplicate. No. Duplicate again. No. Camera base selection. Gizmo. Alignment. Toggle. Let's see settings, buttons. Edit. Vertex. Select reserve. Follow vertex. Deselect, erase, paint, deselect. Snap. Vertice. Combine. So what's the opposite of combine? Straighten, push, push. Align, merge edges. Select, select, triangle merge, vertex snapping. Tilt, tilt, anchor. Okay, let's try combine. Let's try combine. What's the opposite of combine? Maybe combine vertices. Selection. Push, pull. Center the selected vertices. Push. Tile. Extrude. Deselect. Point. Okay, I just want to select a single vertex. Tile, single tile. Single tile. Bones. Man. Manual selection. Vertex selection. Individual. Vertices shared by multiple faces are treated as a single point until separated. Okay, so I'm selecting one. They should stay there. Okay, this is moving all of them. Edges, vertices, select all, 8, deselect all vertices, edges, faces. No, I don't want faces. Oh, come on, man. Settings. Edit modes. Add to scene, move vertex. Toggle gizmo, rotate, reverse, subdivide. Combine vertices, push, flatten, merge, select faces, deselect faces, select overlapping faces, triangle device, nearest vertex. Vertex snapping? No, follow vertex. the scene, deconstruct instance, duplicate instance. Two vertices. Yes. 9. 6 vertices. 0 vertices. No, bro. Or maybe I have to fix this guy. Split. Triangle divide. Edges. Come on. How do I even do this? Separati, separating each vertex. Okay. Face selection. Duplicate the face? Are you crazy? Why? You're crazy. Extrude. Split the tile, clean up mesh. Snap. Undo. So I guess I need to move this guy like that, just to separate that freaking I'm so angry, man. Just to separate these 3, I need to move the entire face. Nope, don't merge. There. Okay. Merge. this. Let's duplicate this. F, 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 F. Let's do rotate right. There. What? I duplicated it. Can I not duplicate it? Edit. Okay, I guess I can't. This, reverse, copy paste. Lower. Let's select this. There we go. Let's select these edges. This is create object, create layer, create object. Or should I say this? No. These are the tiles. Add camera. There we go. So, object CSV. Yeah, so this is object seriously. Very funny. Very funny. There. Create object. There we go. So now that I selected this, house 1. Let's do house 1. Properties. Nice. clone? No. Copy. Duplicate. So this is another clone. Duplicate. Alright, so let's do a create object. Okay. Those two. Rename object, properties, clone object. So what happens if I take this object and move it? And now this one. It also moves. Those two. Wait a minute. What is the meaning of cloning? Clone. So also they are instances. Right? Object. So what are objects? Add to scene. Object point. Nested instances. Objects can be created by grouping tiles together. Object instances can be added to the scene. Editing one instance allows all instances to be updated. But that's not what I want. Create object. No. Highlight the faces. Then select the create object menu within the faces. You can also click the create button in the scene tab. Doing so will remove the tiles and replace them with an instance of the newly created object. Instances can be selected like tiles, moved, rotated and scaled. The new object will also be listed in the scene tab and can be dragged into a layer to help organize your list of objects. When you create an object, its origin point will be placed relative to where the cursor is located. What's this? What's this thing? Let's check the scene. Scene window or something like that. Animate layers. The scene tab. Let's look for the scene tab. Scene tab. Okay, that's the scene, but there is like another section to the scene tab. What's that? How to see, rename, select. Light context. Layers. So I still don't know what's this. It's the same icon. Instance list. Oh, this is the instance list. Instance list. Why do I have two objects and only one instance? Oh, that's the object. That's the instance. Okay, so let's see. Mouse one. Edit object. So let's type these guys. Not faces, edges. Can I grab edge and vertex? There, 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 and there. Oopsie. So so I need to somehow like disconnect this. Rename auto scene, duplicate. Can I like disconnect it? Is delete. Rename instance. Objects. Okay. Editing one instance allows all instances to be updated with the same changes. That's not what I want. So maybe I can not copy the instance, but copy the faces. Can I do that? The vertices. What if I delete this? Delete object. Maybe I can clone it. There. Select. So these are two different guys. Seems like they are. Take you. Yes. Let's keep making houses. This is a scale. Smooth. So how to see? Five. Okay, that's it. Actually should make this guy green. What's going on? What is this? What? Okay. What the hell is this? Okay. There, delete. Okay, so I have 3 houses now. I have 3 houses, and some of them should be like smaller. They all have the same width. So let's grab this guy. And let's clone. Let's do this add to scene. Where are you? Why are you there? Can I have a floor? Window, skybox, orthographic, effects, enable, enable. What's this? What's this? Close. Let's effects. No, thank you. Resolution, window. Nice. FPS 60. Show ruler. Let's check the ruler. Who is a ruler? Wait a second, what's my... 2560, 1430. $25.60, $25.60. should make smaller ones. Now let's do this guy. I mean this guy. Whoop. What happened? Very small. Very small. What's this? So let's copy this, clone, and add to scene. What the hell just happened? This guy. Yikes. Okay. A miniature one. There. So these two are very similar. Let's. What's this? Water object. What's the difference? Oops. Okay, good enough. Let's rotate them. Is it? Is it a village? Yep, it's a village. Okay, it works fine, I guess. So now I need to paint. What do I paint? Add blank tile set. Clone tile set. This cell tile set. Wrapping single double-sided. Transparency off. Add 16 by 16. Color checker. Oh, my eyes. Blank. Add tile set. No, not add. Add blank. There. There. So let's go to pencil. Great. Doesn't paint anything. Vertex, primitive, block, sticky, tile. Can I delete this one? Right. Painting. So this, oh, I forgot the UVs. UVs. I just need to delete this guy. Okay, so this is to edit the tile set. You change here, the tile set changes. tiles in the tileset tab. This portion of the image then becomes editable when clicking on the Paint tab. The grid line button can be toggled. As you know, each tile in your scene displays a section of a tile set. Where these sections reside on a tile set are defined by the UV coordinates that the tiles use. Each vertex of a tile has a corresponding UV coordinate, and this can be repositioned to change what gets displayed. To change this, you must first select the faces in the scene. Selecting faces in the scene will display the corresponding UV on the tileset panel within the UVs tab. To get a good idea on how to edit UVs, watch this demonstration by clicking this crocodile link. UV precision, rotation, scale, UV context menu. Okay, let's watch the UVs. Okay, I understand. That's not what I want. What's this? Mirror, flip, rotate. Okay. UV coordinates. Okay, that's not what I want. Flattens. Paint, fill solid, fill checker, 3D. So this is too much. This is too big. Actually, tile set. Tile set. Please. Can I edit you? Let's edit. There. Look at that. So move you and nothing happens. Oh, something has happened. There. Okay, should I say transform, unwrap? Should I select all the faces? There. All the tiles. Okay, transform, flatten, transform, unwrap. Okay, let's rotate to the left. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's just grab this there. Let's grab these guys here, please. Okay, so he's not letting me. Enter. Okay, thank you. And this guy. Please, no, please. What happened? Okay, there. Flatten, unwrap. So, okay, please. Oh, it's because what's going on? What? What is this? Okay, looks good. Right? Looks good. Yes. This should look like that. It's okay. So let's edit this. Transform and wrap. So please, I need to select these guys. Flatten. No. Transform. Unwrap. Come on, guys. These two. Flatten. Then unwrap. Doesn't work as I expected. Paint. Trace selected. Round to position. Round to breathe. Crazy. So I should rotate you. No. Only you. This was really close. Okay. What the hell happened? Flip, 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 flip. Mirror separately. Rotate. Flatten. There. Okay. I should say flip. There we go. Okay, that was difficult. So that works fine, and that's all. That works fine. So let's create a new tile set. This is like too big. What's this? Lock, unlock. Next tile set. Wrapping clamp. Or maybe I should like this. Can I select many tiles? Can I unselected tiles to new tiles? That would be really cool, you know? If I could select these tiles, please let me select all the tiles I want. Transparency, maybe I have to do it like this, otherwise it won't let me. The new tile set, okay, so it needs to be a this, you let's delete this guy. Or should I grab this thing? Come on. Let me choose all the UVs. Okay, let me choose. So these are all the UVs I can choose. There. So now select this. Select tonic tile set, UVs, copy paste. Can I go copy paste? There. Transform, flatten, unwrap. Next, select tile set, mirror. Unwrap, flatten, set to tile set. New position 110. Animation. Select all. Okay, whatever. Flatten. Unwrap. UVs. Select the tiles. Orient UVs. Okay, why nothing happens? But this is actually this corner, right? Okay. Okay. Let's delete this. Now remove tileset. Where is the wireframe? About effects. Camera resolution. Where is the wireframe? Nowhere to be seen. Okay, fine. There, can I do like this? Select tiles. Apply tile set. Okay, so now I can delete these guys. No, I can't. Because apply tile set. There. So I can delete this one now. No, I can't. There. There. Now I can delete this one. No, I can't. Resize open tiles location. Apply tile set to the set. Oh, because I didn't select the faces actually. That's why. So let's go. Right, I'll be right back. So the biggest problem with this software is that it's very unintuitive. Very unintuitive. It seems to have everything that is needed to make models, but it's so unintuitive it becomes really frustrating to use. There. That should be enough. Oh, there we go. Look at that. This software was more intuitive, easier to use, it could be more popular. But sadly that's not the case. Okay, you know what I should have done? First I should have applied the UVs and then curated the different variations. Okay, you come here. Because now all of these guys are different. What was I saying? I completely forgot. code. Let's just select this guy. There we go. There. And these guys come here. Okay, fine. Let's work on that one. Really? We used pixel? There we go. Why does it look 1, 2, 3, 4? it look bad there? Okay, fine, you win. pixel. Place it there. Design this guy here. Round to nearest pixel. This isn't rounded. It's not rounded. Now it is. Kinda. Yes, it is. Right, let's grab this guy there. Pixel, please. Alright. Remove. There we go. Rounded. There we go, perfect. Let's grab these guys. There we go. Let's take this guy here. There. Let's move it here. Let's move you there. Everything done? Yes. What I should do? Save it. Save it. Save it. Save scene. Models. Let's create a new folder. Buildings. Village 1. So now I'm gonna paint it. Painting. Wait a second, before painting I'm gonna choose this and I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to save it. So this is dithering, diter. Switch a red door. Can I change this? HSL, perfect. HSL to red bricks. Stories. Maybe two. There. Looks nice. So let's see. This back part should be here. There. Here. Really nice. Now the thing I want this. Can I export this tile set? Yes. And let's open it here. Open file. Let's do open file. Extras, models, buildings, village. So let's just adjust the hue. So it should be more like reddish. Red. Not green. Like that. Less saturated. Darker. Let's do like this, and then hue, saturation, like that. I'm not so sure about that. So let's add this. That's enough, maybe. Let's try this. Save. I don't want to make something super detailed. But that's it. Can I do a combine? Oh, so nice. Look at that. Looks amazing. Great. So now I need to make the top part. This. Oops, not this one. That's like too much. Wait a second, I'm gonna open things, plant A with what was it? Cards. Just do this. Yep. Okay, so let's go with this. oops, 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 oops. I'm gonna go 13, no, 2. There we go, so much faster. But you know what is faster? This. Yep. There. Be right back. let's just see if this fits well, if the color fits well. Import, reset, add tile set there, and then I do combine, I do like this, merge, apply. Alright. Look at that. Okay, so yes, I think this works fine. I may need to have a shadow, maybe. It works really good. Really nice. Okay, I'm gonna continue after a couple of hours.